Hey guys, Sebastian Guerra here with Guerra Financial Tips. People will be constantly avoiding on looking at that bank account because they're ashamed of what's really waiting for them inside there. Sometimes we're spending more money than what's really coming in on a regular basis. So I'm going to give you guys a quick little tip that you can implement. That way you're maximizing the savings and the investments and how you're managing your money every single day. So we as financial planners and financial advisors, we meet with thousands of families every single year. And one of the things that we see with many families is that they just feel bad because they're spending more money than what they're really bringing in. So the way you can fix this immediately is you now create a brand new bill. Now, what do I mean by that? You right now probably have a cell phone bill, maybe you have your water bill you have to pay, maybe your electric bill, maybe your car bill that you pay on a regular monthly basis. Why not create a brand new automated bill when it comes to savings and investing? So let's say that every 2 weeks or every month you know that you're making $5,000. Why not create a brand new bill of maybe $300, $400, $500, and you know that on the 1st of every month or the 12th of every month or the 20th of every month, they're going to pull that money right out of that bank account, right out of your checking account, the same way you pay your cell phone payment every single month, but now it's going to go and be directed towards another account. And that way you're not feeling that guilt every single month that you're spending more money than what you're really bringing in. Because you know at the back of your mind, you know that you're sending $300 or $400 towards that other account. Now, remember, that other account, you want to make sure that it's maximizing the growth behind it. If you're just grabbing that money, moving it from a checking account to another checking account, remember, checking accounts are barely paying money anything to people. So make sure you're taking advantage of these small little tips. That way you can implement more growth strategies to get your money to grow faster.